Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss about array. So it is the most important data structure you need to know. So what is an array? For today I want to discuss singular array. So in the next video I will say about multidimensional arrays. So let's start about singular arrays. So what are arrays actually? It is a data structure that store similar elements in contiguous memory allocations. So this is the definition of array. So how can we create an array and how we store the elements in the array? So let's get started. At first I would create a class and then I will write the main function and then I would declare an array. So how you can declare an array? You can declare like this. For example, I want to take an array of type string. For example, I am taking cars. So this is the array declaration. This is how you declare an array. And if you want to declare and store simultaneously, so how you can do it? For example, this is declaration 1. If I want to declare in another way, I can declare like this. In this array I want to store integer numbers, so I am declaring like this: int numbers, and then I would assign here 1 2 3 4 5 integer numbers. This is declaration 2. This is how you can declare an array. Okay, next, how can we access the element? How can we access these elements? So you see, if I want to access 2, right, I have to know the indexes of the array. So how can I know the indexes? In array, every starting element starts with an index of 0. Okay, so if I want to access 2, then at which index should I enter? 0 1. So in one index 2 element is located. So let's give it a try and try to act and try to extract 2 numbers, and I will give the index 2. So let's see. Okay, I will give the index 1. So 0 1 in one in first index the element 2 is present, so we need element 2. So let's run and see element 2 gets fetched. Next, how to change a particular element? How to change? For example, I don't want 3 here, I want 100 instead of 3. How I can change this? How can I change this? Don't worry, you only need to do this. So where 3 is located? 0 1 2, second index. So at second index I would like to modify the 3 to 100. So in number index 2, instead of 3, 100 will be given. So I am assigning 100 here instead of 3. So if now I want to check the array that 100 is present or not, so for that I need to extract all the elements and traverse the elements. So how can I traverse? I would you can use for loop or while loop, but for this example I am using for each loop. Let's run it and check. See, instead of 3, 100 is assigned. So this is how you can assign a number in a particular index of your desired array. So this is it. Next, how you can determine the length of the array. So what is now length of the array? Length of the array means how many elements are present in the array. For example, here, take this example. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are present here. So if if you don't know how many elements are there in a particular array, for this array you can easily count it, but in production level there will be many arrays that are uncountable. So if you want to count those, simply use this function. Simply use this. I am doing a proper formatting here. uh, the number of elements present here is, and I would do this numbers dot length. So these numbers dot length help me to find the number of elements present in a particular array, for example numbers array. So let's check it. See, the number of elements present here is 5. So this is how you can determine the number of elements present in the array. So now if I want to create, I am removing this. I am removing this. If I want to create a blank array, for example, I want to create an array of size 5 which is totally blank. No elements are present in it. So how can we do it? For this, we can use the new keyword. How you can do it? Like this. Let's see. String, for example, I am taking string array. String array cars is equal to new string. In this square bracket I would give a number, for example 5. So 5, so we can store up to 5 elements, right? And then we will input one by one. Okay, I am importing import java.util. Sorry, it's done. Now I am importing a scanner class. And now I want to print a message here. A user, please fill the array. And then I would do a for loop here. Int I is equal to 0, I less than cars dot length minus 1. Why minus 1? As length gives the total number of elements, but index start with the element 0. So when we reach till the last box, it will be always length minus 1. And then I would write here a message. Enter the element enter the element. Okay, I would write here print, and then sorry, cars dot cars I is equal to ac dot next, right? In this block I am inputting the elements one by one, and then I would simply traverse it. I would simply traverse it to check the elements are properly filled or not. Hmm. Let's check it. See, user please fill the array. Enter elements. Suppose I am writing here BMW and then Porsche and then Honda and what else? KTM. See, BMW, Porsche, Honda, KTM. So this is how you can do it. This is all about singular array, and you can implement it like this. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for these types of videos. Thank you very much.